So I've finally been able to pull out my oscilloscope. A very old machine it is, and I don't really know how to use it properly, but I've managed to get some little pips on the screen which is showing me the step pulses that I'm getting off the Arduino that is running from the Arduino to the easy driver. You can see I've put a heatsink on it, it's just warm, which then goes to the stepper motor, which runs down to my drive set up there. What I've got on the code, if I can get to your code, I've got 5 steppers being simulated here. They're all running at the same time, and I'm running microsecond intervals, 200, 400, 600, 1200, 2400 microsecond intervals. So they're all running at sort of double the speed of each other, but they're all running concurrently as it stands. So, as it happens, I've only got one stepper and easy driver setup running, but if I unplug from here and plug into there, that's 400 microseconds, and you see our pips have changed frequency accordingly. If I then bump a couple of pins down, that's running at 600 microseconds interval. So that would be another stepper axis on the motion control setup running. Jump again. That's 1200 random pips, and let's go one more. 2400. Don't think you'll be able to see what the drive is doing in there, but you can hear that it's running a lot slower. The LED pin on 13 is just indicating a change of direction, so actually when it changes state on the LED, it's just changed one direction and then back to the other. And if I give you a look at the trace on the scope, as I step up through these speeds, that 2400, 12, 600, 400 and 200. Whoopee! So there you go, that gives you an idea. I haven't been able to get the scope to look at very clear pulses. It's not very clear at all, but from what I'm hearing, it sounds that they're all running pretty smoothly, which is a bit of a step up from the last test I ran. Not that there's been a lot of difference, apart from the fact I was running the first stepper timer at 100 millisecond intervals, which is really clipping along on the drive end of things, so it's probably in fact running too fast, so that's fine. It was running okay, it just sounded a little bit rough, because the other timers are obviously going off and disrupting its timing sequence. But on the whole, I'm really happy with that. What I need to do now is get another easy driver and motor installed. I've got one ready to go, and then actually try a real 2-axis test. And then we start mucking about with smooth stepping it and getting all that working again. It's a bit of a starting again from the ground up. There we go. Hope that's of use to you.